Looking for the best cordless string trimmer for your yard? We've tested and ranked 5 of the top models, and today we're giving you the honest breakdown, from the weakest to the absolute best. Let's kick things off with the BLACK+DECKER. This is our number 5 pick, and it's the lightest trimmer on the list. Great for small yards or anyone who wants something super simple. If you've never used a string trimmer before, this one feels almost like a toy, but in a good way. It's really compact and easy to use right out of the box. The auto feed feature is a nice touch. You don't have to bump the head to get more line. And because it doubles as an edger, you can trim your lawn and then flip it for neat sidewalk lines. For such a small tool, it definitely tries to pull its weight. But the biggest catch is battery life. You're looking at 15 to maybe 22 minutes on a single charge, and the 10-inch cutting width means it'll take longer to finish any decent-sized yard. Plus, it's not cut out for thick weeds or anything tougher than basic lawn maintenance. If you're just starting out or you need something light for a small space, the BLACK+DECKER is a decent pick. But if you've got a bigger job in mind, you'll want to keep watching. And hey, links to all the tools in this video at the best prices are right down in the description. Coming in at number 4, we have the JAGROM 20-volt cordless trimmer. This one's all about value. You get 2 batteries and a fast charger right in the box, which is great if you're on a budget and want decent runtime. For a lightweight tool, it covers a solid 12-inch path and includes an auto feed system to make trimming easier. It even flips into an edger and comes with spare line and caps. In short, it's trying to give you the full package without breaking the bank. But while it sounds great on paper, the build quality isn't the best. Some folks say it feels flimsy and the battery consistency can be hit or miss. It's not really built for heavy-duty use, and if your lawn needs muscle, this one might not cut it. Still, if you're looking for a budget-friendly tool with generous runtime, JAGROM isn't a bad place to start. Like what you're seeing so far, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe. We've got more solid picks coming up. Taking the middle spot on our list is the Greenworks 40-volt combo kit. This is a 2-in-1 package. You get a trimmer and a blower, which is super convenient if you're building your lawn tool collection from scratch. The 12-inch trimmer gets the job done for most average yards, and the blower is strong enough to clear grass clippings, leaves, and light debris. The 40-volt battery powers both tools and is compatible with over 75 other Greenworks products, which adds long-term value. Now, while this combo covers the basics, neither tool really excels in power. The trimmer doesn't have a pivoting head for proper edging, and the blower isn't as strong as standalone models. Runtime is also limited to around 30 minutes, so it's not for bigger properties. If you need an all-in-one starter set and you're okay with moderate performance, the Greenworks kit makes a lot of sense. Just keep your expectations in check if you're trimming anything thicker than your usual lawn grass. At number 2 is the Worx GT 3.0, a lightweight trimmer that punches above its weight. This thing is made for people who want a tool that's quick, versatile, and doesn't take up much space in the garage. It trims and edges with ease, and those built-in guide wheels make edging super smooth. The command feed feature is a standout. Just push a button, and the line advances automatically. Plus, the telescoping shaft adjusts to your height, making it comfortable to use for almost anyone. Where it falls short is in raw power. It's great for grass and soft weeds, but it's not meant for thicker brush. And since it uses a thinner line and a single string system, it's not ideal for very dense areas. Still, if you've got a small to medium yard and you want something that's light, easy to use, and can switch roles in seconds, the Worx GT 3.0 is a seriously smart pick. And now, the number 1 spot goes to the Ego Power Plus 15-inch trimmer. This is the heavyweight champ of the list, not just in power, but in features and overall performance. With a big 15-inch cutting path and a beefy dual line system, it chews through tall grass and tough weeds like butter. The brushless motor is smooth and efficient, and the telescopic shaft lets you adjust it to your perfect height. And the Powerload button? Absolute game changer. Just insert the line and press a button. It winds itself. There are a couple caveats. This version doesn't come with a battery or charger, so you'll need to factor that into your cost. And at 7.4 pounds without the battery, it gets heavy once everything's installed. But if you want a tool that performs like a pro and you don't mind spending a little more upfront, the EGO trimmer is as good as it gets. That wraps up our rankings. If you want to check out these tools for yourself, all the best deals are linked in the description below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We've got more gear reviews coming your way.